Finance content is one of the highest paying niches on YouTube right now. Some finance channels are pulling in RPMs of $25 to $50, way above almost every other category. And the best part? You don't need to show your face. You don't need to be a certified financial advisor, and you don't need expensive equipment. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to build a finance YouTube channel from scratch. Writing the scripts, generating the voiceover, creating your visuals, and putting together a fully branded channel, using tools that are completely free. By the end of this video, you'll have a repeatable system you can use to publish finance content every single week. Step 1. Pick your chatbot. The first tool you need is a reasoning model, a chatbot that will help you write scripts, brainstorm ideas, and generate prompts for everything else in this workflow. You've got a few solid free options. ChatGPT has a generous free tier. DeepSeek is completely free with no paywall if you want unlimited usage. And Claude is another excellent option. I'd actually recommend using Claude specifically for anything sensitive, like scripts that mention real companies, stocks, or financial claims, because it tends to give more careful, balanced answers on regulated topics. For this workflow, pick one chatbot and stick with it, so it keeps context on your channel's style and tone as you go. Step 2. Define your niche and get video ideas. Ask your chatbot to help you narrow down your specific angle inside finance. A few good starting points: personal finance and budgeting for beginners, low capital business ideas, saving and debt payoff, or beginner-friendly investing education. Once you've picked your angle, ask the chatbot for 10 video ideas within that niche. Tell it your target audience. For example, young adults just starting their first job, or small business owners in Pakistan. The more specific you are, the better the ideas will be. Pick the idea that feels most useful and specific, and tell your chatbot to move forward with that one. Step 3. Write the script. Ask for a script between 8 and 15 minutes long. That length tends to perform well for ad revenue, because it allows for multiple ad breaks. A good finance script structure looks like this. Open with a relatable problem or a surprising number. Explain the core lessons step by step with real examples. And close with a clear, simple action the viewer can take today. One important note for finance content specifically: ask your chatbot to avoid making specific investment recommendations or guaranteed return claims. Stick to education and general principles. This keeps you compliant with YouTube's financial content policies and protects you from giving advice you're not licensed to give. Step 4. Generate the voiceover. Once your script is ready, you need to turn it into audio. A few free options. CapCut has over 200 built-in AI voices with unlimited generations, though tone control is limited. Clipchamp offers similarly unlimited generations with slightly more natural-sounding voices. DupeDub gives you free credits and over 700 voice options when you sign up. My personal recommendation is 11 Labs. The voices sound the most natural, and you can control emotion and tone, which matters a lot for finance content. You want a voice that sounds trustworthy and calm, not robotic. Copy your script in small chunks, about 50 words at a time, and paste each chunk in separately. Pasting the whole script at once tends to cause distortion and glitching. Generate each chunk, download it, and move to the next one until your full voiceover is complete. Step 5. Create your visuals. Finance content doesn't need a talking head presenter. You can build a fully visual explainer using AI-generated images and simple motion graphics. Ask your chatbot for a list of scene prompts based on your script. Things like a person reviewing a budget spreadsheet, a phone showing a banking app, stacks of currency, a simple growth chart. For consistency, if you're using a recurring character or host, generate a character reference sheet first, and reuse that same reference across every image. Free image generation tools worth trying. Gemini, which gives you access to strong image models directly in the chat interface. Google Flow, which uses the Nano Banana model and lets you generate and compare multiple variants side by side. And ChatGPT's built-in image generation, which can produce several variants of the same prompt at once. Run the same prompt across 2 or 3 of these tools and compare the results. The quality can vary quite a bit between them, so it's worth testing before committing to one. Step 6. Animate your scenes. Once you have your images, you can bring them to life with free AI video generation tools. Gemini and Google Flow both have built-in video generation modes, typically limited to around 10 seconds per clip. Upload your reference images first for consistency. Then feed in your scene-by-scene prompts one at a time, generating a short clip for each. If a prompt gets flagged or refused, which can sometimes happen with finance content that mentions specific numbers or brands, try rewording it through your chatbot and generating again. Keep working through your script section by section until every scene has a matching video clip. Step 7. Add background music. Use a free AI music generator like Suno to create a custom instrumental track instead of using copyrighted music. This avoids any risk of copyright strikes or demonetization down the line. For finance content, describe something calm, professional, and steady. Think confident, modern, corporate background track, instrumental. Generate a few options, preview them, and download the one that fits your video's pacing. Step 8. Edit it all together. CapCut is a solid, free, beginner-friendly editor for pulling everything together. Import your voiceover, your background music, and all your video clips into one project. Drop your voiceover onto the timeline first. Then trim your background music to match its length and lower its volume so it sits underneath the narration, not over it. Then place your video clips in order, syncing each one to the part of the voiceover it corresponds to. Add simple text overlays for key numbers or terms. This helps viewers who watch without sound. Once everything lines up, export your video. Step 9. Branding and channel setup. Ask your chatbot for channel name ideas that fit your specific finance angle, along with a short channel description. Set these up directly in YouTube Studio. Then ask for a logo and banner concept. Give it your channel name and a color scheme. Finance channels often lean toward greens, blues, or gold to signal trust and money. Use Canva to build your actual banner. Pick a 16:9 canvas, keep the center area clean since that's what shows across all devices, and match your text color to your logo using Canva's color picker tool. Upload your logo and banner in YouTube Studio and your channel is fully branded and ready to publish. Closing. That's the complete workflow. From picking your niche to scripting, voiceover, visuals, editing, and branding, all using free AI tools.